So in this Notes app tutorial, I will be showing you guys how to strike through text on the Notes app. So I have the Notes app opened up. If I wanted to type in the word strike through just like that, as you can tell, it's right here. I spelt it wrong. If you wanted to strike through the entire thing, go ahead and highlight the text, go to this top bar to where there's the capital A and the lowercase a, then this option right here where there's the S, and you can go ahead and there's a line between it. Go ahead and press that option right there, and it'll strike through text that way. If you just wanted to maybe strike through certain part of the text or whatever, you can highlight, like if I just wanted to do the EXT, do the exact same thing, press the strike through, and it'll do it that way. If you want to undo it, highlight the entire thing. Once again, just highlight it and press it again, and you can undo it that way. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how to strike through text on the Notes app for the Mac. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this helps.